Have you built the foundation for your financial independence? Let me explain the 4 types of passive income that can set you free from your daily employment grind. Hi everyone, welcome to Money Answers TV. I'm Jordan Goodman, America's Money Answers man. We're here to help you build your skills and knowledge so you can be successful in your financial life. FIRE, the Financial Independence Retire Early movement, identifies passive income as one of the main pillars of financial independence, and that makes a lot of sense. You'll need far less money in the bank if you build several streams of reliable passive income. Passive income translates into freedom for you to do other things than to be tied to a 9-to-5 job. Buying cash-flowing assets is the first type of passive income. Examples of cash-flowing assets include stocks paying generous dividends, such as electric and gas utilities. Real estate investment trusts, which collect rents from the commercial real estate they own. Master limited partnerships, which earn fees from renting the oil and gas pipelines they operate. Business development companies, which make loans to medium and small-sized businesses. Owning commercial or residential rental real estate creates a steady flow of passive rental income. If you don't want to find your own properties, you can invest in a portfolio of rental real estate at fundrise.com, roofstock.com, realtymogul.com, or peerstreet.com. Another alternative is peer-to-peer lending, where you lend money to people who borrow to consolidate their debts at lower interest rates, such as lendingclub.com. Building a cash-flowing asset is the second way to generate passive income. Consider these. Create a website, blog, podcast, or YouTube channel. You can monetize that audience by selling ads, doing affiliate marketing, or creating a useful course, such as an ebook or video presentation. Create a referral service for subcontractors who pay you for leads you send their way. Some examples of services willing to pay you for leads include pet sitting services, household errands, city tours, and many other specialties. A third way to generate passive income is to share assets that you own. You might be able to generate income from any of these. Rent out rooms or your entire house on Airbnb.com or HomeAway.com. Rent out your car by the hour at Turo.com or GetAround.com. Rent your RV at RVShare.com or Outdoorsy.com. Rent your boat at BoatSetter.com or GetMyBoat.com. Charge people to camp outdoors in your backyard at campspace.com or gamping.com. Let your neighbors store their excess stuff in your basement or attic instead of a self-storage unit at neighbor.com. The last form of passive income is to cut your expenses dramatically, effectively boosting your cash flow. Websites such as AskTrim.com analyze your spending and find ways to cut your spending, including looking at internet and cable bills, phone service, and looking at the subscriptions you have to see if you can cancel them if you're not using them anymore. Evaluate which credit card will give you the best and biggest rewards and perks at guidetocreditcard.com. Might as well make your credit card pay you. Watch my video in this series on ways to slash your spending dramatically. If you enjoy listening to podcasts, then check out my Money Answers Show interview with Nick Loper of SideHustleNation.com, who also wrote a book called The Side Hustle: How to Turn Your Spare Time into $1,000 or more per month. We talk about a lot of ways to save and make money. So now you know some of the many ways to establish multiple streams of passive income. It's up to you to decide which ones make the most sense for you to pursue.